Hello and welcome to Maths Made Simple. My name is George Ampodibafo. Today you're going to learn something about linear equations. Example: solve 4x plus 5 is equal to 2x plus 19. Now to solve something like this, 4x plus 5 is equal to 2x plus 19. The first thing you have to do is you group like terms. You send all the algebraic terms to one side. You send all the algebraic terms to one side and you send all the constant terms. You send all the constant terms to the other side. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to send all the algebraic terms to the left side of the equation sign. And then we're going to send all the constant terms to the right side of the equation sign. Now, whenever a term crosses an equal sign, its sign changes. Whenever a term crosses an equal sign, its sign changes. So if it is positive, it changes to negative. And if it is negative, it changes to positive. So therefore, crossing this term 2s over the equal sign, it becomes negative here at the left side. So therefore, we have 4s minus 2s. Now 19 here, we have to send this constant term to the right side. Now when this constant term crosses this equal sign, its sign changes to negative. So therefore it becomes minus. So we get 19 minus 5. Now 4x minus 2x, you get 2x. You get 2x is equal to 19 minus 5, you get 14. So therefore 2x is equal to 14. Now you divide both sides by here by 2, divide both sides by 2, here by 2, here by 2. Therefore x is equal to 7. The final answer is equal to 7. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for me and watch out for more videos. Thank you.